In this video, I'll show you the first aid kit we keep in our car. This is the first aid kit we keep in our car. This is the Maxpedition first aid pouch, and we absolutely love this. It's small and light, but it fits so much. I have a mini med kit that I keep in my backpack, but those are for everyday items. I love using this for day trips or when we're out and about. You know, we used it last summer when we went to the lake and we were on the boat, and we just grabbed it from our car and took it with us because we knew we'd be gone for an extended period of time. We actually used a couple of items from this first aid kit, so it came in handy. We love keeping it in our car because we know that it's there whenever we need it. So let's take a look at the contents inside. What I love about the Maxpedition first aid pouch is that all of the zippers and the pockets are very well thought out. So right here in the front, you have this mesh pocket. And right here, we have a list of contents. And I update this every 6 months when I go through the pack just to make sure I'm not missing anything. But I like to have this so when I'm out and there's an emergency, I can quickly reference this to see what I have and what I can use. Next, I have this Fresnel lens, and we got it for the magnifying glass, but there's a bunch of different uses for it. It comes in this nice little pouch. We also have a pack of Clorox disinfecting wipes, a Ziploc bag, and a Shout wipe to go. So here's the inside of the bag, and this is a YKK zipper, and I love the zipper. I've opened this bag so many times and it never snags. So here we have two sides. So we have this mesh pocket right here and this plastic pocket, but it's clear so you can see through it. So let's start on this side. So here we just have a multi-purpose towel. We just need to add water and it expands. Here is a roll of toilet paper, especially nowadays when you use a public restroom and there's no toilet paper, it's always handy to have a roll here. Some cough drops. A bandage. This is what you would normally see at the doctor's office. It just wraps around gauze. A little mini hand sanitizer. Here we have tweezers, some scissors, and a tick remover. We've needed the tick remover before, so we always make sure to have one in our first aid kit. Here we have a compression wrap, and this is great for sprains. Another bandage. Here we have some tape if we need to tape any of the gauze or band-aids. A pair of gloves. Eye drops, especially because Dom does get dry eyes sometimes. A Think Baby sunblock stick. We usually put sunblock on the kids before we leave the house, but it's nice to have this extra stick to reapply while we're out. A Mylar emergency blanket. An instant cold compress. These are amazing. We've used them a few times while we've been out, and you can easily get these at the dollar store or even grocery outlet. So whenever we see them, we do like to stock up because they're so cheap. And an extra strength icy hot patch. So that's all on this side. So now let's take a look at this side. So here I have a few wet ones. These are just single packets. Neosporin to go. Here I have ammonia inhalants, insect bite relief, burn gel. In this pouch, I have all of the meds. So I have medicine for the kids and medicine for us as well. So there's Pepto-Bismol, Advil, Imodium, Emergency, all of that in here. Here I have Moleskin, alcohol wipes and cleansers. here are all of the Band-Aids. So they're different sizes. There's large ones in the back and then there's smaller ones up front. And I like to keep things in these small Ziploc pouches so it separates everything and I can easily find what I'm looking for. Here I have some gauze pads. I actually do need to refill these and add a few more, but I have 3 right here. And then I have 1 trauma pad. So this is a larger pad. And that's all I have in this first aid kit. And the back right here, there's some MOLLE straps, so you can attach it to a backpack or you can hang things off of the pouch. But other than that, that's all the contents for our first aid kit. As you can see, this first aid kit holds a lot. I love how easy it is to carry. It's light and durable. We've had this pouch for years and the zippers are still in great condition. We do re-inventory every 6 months just to make sure nothing's expired and we're not missing anything. So that way when we're on the road or we're out on a day trip, we know that everything in here is in good working condition. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for other videos on how we pack our car. If you like this video and want to see other videos like this, please like and subscribe to our channel. Bye!